Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. So today I decided to do a kind of classic look for you guys. I haven't worn a red lip in so long, so I just wanted to have a little play around, and I haven't done winged eyeliner in I do not know how long. I used to do it every single day, but this was my like reawakening to it, and yeah, it's still hard. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see how I got this classic makeup look, then please keep watching. So what I'm going to start with, moisturising my skin. This is the moisturiser that I pretty much use all the time. Oh God, nearly dropped it. This is the moisturiser that I use pretty much all the time. Only because I have such dry skin. Oh God, I keep getting things in my eye. I find this is really moisturising. They do it in like different variations. This is the, where does it say that? I believe this is the day cream, because I do have another one. This is the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisture Cream. It is for all skin types, but I find it really good for my dry skin. It's a really little pot. I do believe you can get bigger ones though. I'm gonna start with my skin again, just because we're not doing anything on the eyes. It is really focused on the lips. I feel like with like a classic kind of look, you want to keep everything really nice and clean, nothing too much going on, because I feel like less is more. The foundation that I'm going to use is the Matte Clay Skin Clarifying Foundation from the Body Shop in the shade Havana Sand. I normally don't go for a matte foundation, but I love this one so much. It has tea tree in it, so I find it just looks after my skin, and the coverage is really good, and it's £10. Like, for concealer today, I'm going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour concealer. This is in the shade Light Neutral. Some kids are like playing outside. My house, I've got 3 levels to the house, and I film in the top level, but literally I live right on a street, so you can just hear everything. And everyone in my town, well, not everyone, all the kids, they like love being on their scooter. There's like a skate park down the road. Can you hear them? Scootering is the thing to do here, so everyone just scooters everywhere. Then to just set everything, I'm going to use the Can't Stop Won't Stop powder from NYX in the shade Light Medium. For my bronzer today, because we're using a few new things, not new, but like different things, I'm going to use the Honey Bronzer from the Body Shop, which I'm nearly getting to the bottom of, but I really, really like this one. For blush today, I'm going to use the Rockateur blush from Benefit, which looks like that. Very nice, very nice. I can't get enough. I just love blush so much. And then for highlighter, I'm just going to go in with Soft and Gentle from MAC. For my eyes, I'm going to start off with using Hoola by Benefit. I've used this for ages as a little bit of eyeshadow. I find it's just like the perfect transition shade. I don't want to do anything too heavy eyeshadow wise on my eyes, because we are going to do a winged liner. So this is just to kind of like add something. Normally I go like quite heavy with my eyeshadow, but not today. And then just to kind of like deepen up it a slight bit, I'm going to use this palette from Smashbox. It's called the Ablaze eye palette, and all I'm going to do is really lightly go in with the dark shade here on the outer corners of my eye. And with that same brown colour, I'm really lightly going to just go under my eye and smoke that out a little bit. Next step is the winged eyeliner. So for winged eyeliner, I am going to take Roller Liner by Benefit in the shade Black. I do like the brown one, but I find when you're doing like a classic kind of look, black is always the best way to go. I haven't done eyeliner in like a wing in so long. Okay, that will do. This is as good as it's gonna get today. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera now and I will do the other eye and then I'll be back. I fucking hate this song. Alexa. So I did my eyebrows off camera too because I just feel like they're boring because I just do the same thing pretty much all the time. So I'm going to do my eyelashes now, and because I use Roller Liner, I'm going to use Roller Lash by Benefit as well. Can I never, I can't help pulling a face, like I genuinely can't. I'm like dribbling. This is not okay. Okay, so now I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Matte Colour Sensational Lipstick in the shade 968 Rich Ruby. Haven't worn a red lip in a while. I didn't even wear a red lip over Christmas. Okay guys, so that is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is just like, I feel like a classic kind of look. Obviously the liner, you don't have to do like massive wings or anything like that. If you didn't want to, you could just stick to doing like a little wing, but I always find a red lip is pretty classic. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's anything you specifically want to see from me, please let me know. Other than that, I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.